Halina na po tayo sa ating pong pamamaalam sa ating minamahal na kapatid si Edgar. Halina po yung pagkakataon na kung saan ang ating inihahagi ay pinagpapaalaman natin. Halina magiging po natin siya sa kanyang pagtutunan. Hindi naman po kasi ay sa paalala sa atin ay imanin sa daigdig na ito at tayo po'y iyakin ang ating mga mahal sa buhay. Itutuloy naman sa kanila ang buhay natin. At doon sa kabilang yun, tayo po'y makapapanood kung narinig ko sa magandang buhay na nakitulong natin sa Panginoon.
When you wake up each morning and you feel like calling, I'll be there for you. When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. When the world is unkind and your dreams they need more time, I'll be there for you. If the rules they keep breaking and the future is fading, I'll be there for you. The rainbow will end in the palm of your hand. Don't ever let it go. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. Who knows where we'll go? What will tomorrow bring? But we have each other, just hold on tight. We can take to the skies and fly. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
napakirap para sa amin na tanggapin yung pagkawala ng aming kama. Pero sa amin nga isang professor ng college, we live this world, you're welcome.
Dear children, daughters-in-law, sons-in-law, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, in the entire Maano, Abigon, and Balio family, thank you all for mourning, sympathizing, and praying with us in these trying times in our family. Despite our grieving, which is challenging for all of us, we find comfort in the love and compassion we have shown. Each one of you has reached out in your own and unique way. We are deeply grateful for your sympathy and support. Thank you all for standing by us as we navigate this darkest moment in our lives. Our dearest moment, heaven is your new home, which is blissful, eternal, and timeless. We're being so blessed to have you as our godless sibling, a great husband to Lucky Baby, caring, loving, and supportive father to your children, and a very sweet grandparent to your grandchildren and great-grandchildren. We are being you right. Why? Because you were and will always be the best for us. Thank you for touching many lives. It is heartening to know and see many people who cherish you, Kuya. Your kindness and personality give broad smiles on our faces. Kuya, please continue to watch over us, especially Ate Baby and Mama. Guide and help us to accept your sudden passing, not today, but in the coming days.
And he said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. And when you feel the world is tumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to, just face the rising sun, then you'll see hope, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. And
Muli po isang
cast your burdens
pasalamat ang pinaabot po naming pamilya sa inyong pakikidalamhati sa pagpanaw ng aming ama. Si tatay kasi mapagmahal na anak, mapagmahal sa mga kapatid, mapagmahal sa mga apo, mapagmahal sa manugang. Yun lang din siguro yung masasabi ko. Masakit man na tanggapin na pumanaw siya, pero dapat natin tanggapin na lahat tayo nabubuhay dito dahil kanya-kanya tayong gampanin dito sa mundong ibabaw. Ngayon, pagpanaw ni tatay, dapat tanggapin natin ng maluwag kasi kumbaga wala nang sakit, no more pain, wala nang pasakit, wala nang paghihirap. Masaya na siya. Tay, I love you. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita. Salamat sa lahat.
Kanina nagpasalamat na ako sa simbahan. Oo, totoo 'yun. we don't have the right to question the plans of Poong Jesus Nazareno, no? So, we are grateful lang for giving Kuya Eddie 70 years of his wonderful life in this world and for touching our lives. So, naway, pakiusap ko lang, lalong-lalo na sa mga anak ni Kuya, sa mga apo, sa grandchildren. Continue what you're doing. Yung nawala man si tatay nyo, continue yung every special occasion she'll be together. Kasi like what I've said, malayo kami sa inyo mga anak, mga pamangkin ko, mga apo namin. So continue it. We will try our very best. Alam nyo naman, every time we're together, sobrang happy ni tatay nyo. So continue it. Para naman nandun na si tatay nyo sa heaven with your grandfather. I know he will continue to watch over all of us. Mahirap talagang tanggapin. You know, grieving has many stages. It's very hard for us to accept. But I know with the guidance of the Lord, we will and we can.
When troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. When I am on your shoulders, you raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong
umiyak.